Hello and welcome to this week's stream update. Just wanted to let you know about some resources that we've just added to the website. They might find useful for companies that might not be quite ready to go fully digital with their fleet compliance, safety and maintenance management. So the link's down here, but effectively just go to the resources section and to guides. We've added some walk around check templates for HGVs, vans and PSVs. Plus we've added a fleet maintenance schedule template that you can download into Google Sheets, and an equipment and vehicle asset register as well. Obviously companies that want to use those templates to get started with their fleet compliance, and when they're ready, hopefully come back and use StreamCheck. Thanks very much. Bye bye.